I want to congratulate you on completing the SEO for Web Developers course. I feel that this knowledge will help you and help differentiate you from other web developers in the industry and help you stand out from the pack. Implementing some of these concepts that we talked about in the course, such as creating a good structure, performing keyword research, creating content that ranks, will help you not only charge more for your existing website projects, but it'll also help you by introducing some new tools to your arsenal and make you a more valuable web developer in general. Not only can you start to introduce these services to your clients, but you can also use these skills in order to rank your own website or be more valuable as an employee as well. The best way to apply this knowledge and learn more is actually to create a project and try to rank a website. It could be your own, could be a client's website, but that's probably just like everything else, the best way to learn something is through practice and through application. And I think starting a project is probably the next thing that you should do in order to perfect this knowledge. SEO is a vast discipline. SEO, just like web development, has a lot of subspecialties. You can, I would recommend selecting one that you're interested in or passionate about. It could be technical analysis or it could be keyword research, and specialize in that and try to improve your skills in that area. Because if you try to do too much, you might get overwhelmed and you might not get as far. And adding these skills that we talked about once again will help you become a more valuable web developer and help you increase your rates significantly in the future. So again, just to summarize the course, learn by working on a project. Again, that's key. Do a project that you can test your skills on and learn more and kind of discover your deficiencies as you're working through this new knowledge. Focus on an area that you like, again, and specialize. Again, SEO is a big and vast discipline and skill. So, pick something that you're passionate about and try to specialize if you can. And again, adding SEO to your skill set is going to help you earn more. So I think it's a great skill to have. You've chosen the right, tool set in order to expand your knowledge and make yourself more valuable to either your clients if you're a freelancer or your employer if you're working for a company. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always available to answer questions on Twitter. And if you're interested in other courses, I focused again a little bit on WordPress because it's the easiest in terms of doing some of these SEO enhancements to your website. You can apply this to other frameworks as well, but I feel that WordPress is the best for doing this kind of work. If you're interested in learning more about WordPress, if you're not familiar with it, I have another course that's focused on WordPress that you can find on my Gumroad page or Udemy if you prefer that platform. And just want to thank you again for picking this course up, and I hope that it was valuable and that you've learned a lot. I'm also going to include this slide deck in the package as well, so you'll have some of these additional links here, some tools that I use through the course, and there's also an affiliate link. If you're interested in trying out Cloudways, you'll get a discount through my affiliate link. You can check that out. And also, I've just included some additional resources as well, some links and some resources that I use through the course in order to illustrate certain aspects. So you can check that out. I'll also be updating this if you do buy the course. I'll be updating this slide deck with other useful links that you can use in the future. Again, if you're interested in learning WordPress a little bit more, if you're new to it, you can use my 20% discount code here in the resources that you get from purchasing this course as well. So I want to thank you again. I want to wish you all the best and good luck learning this exciting new technology and exciting new SEO framework. So thanks a lot. See you next time.